I know there's a fight in the street, whether it's goat curry or curry goat.
goat curry ன்னு சொல்றதா curry goat ன்னு சொல்றதா?
மட்டன் கறின்னு சொல்றோம் நம்ம.
Yeah? Okay.
Curry, okay?
Okay.
I guess we are making some mutton curry today then. Let's go. First, we got 1 pound of goat meat and we are starting the dish by marinating it. For marination, we're adding black pepper, turmeric, salt, red chili curry powder, and give it a nice toss and put it in the side for about 30 minutes. Next, chopping a tomato, onion, and a green chili. But rather than mincing the ginger and garlic, we are crushing and grinding to get the maximum flavor out of it. And talking about flavor, we got a lot of spices. And more spices. But don't you worry, I'll left the full ingredient and the recipe in the description below. But while you're there, leave a comment and let us know what you think about our new channel. Okay, next, bring up a pot to medium heat and add some vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seed, fenugreek, cumin, the crushed ginger and garlic, bay leaves, cardamom, and cinnamon, and add a little bit of a salt to the oil and cook it till it starts to get brown. Next, add the chopped onion, green chili, and tomato, and get ready to season all those veggies. Add turmeric, black pepper, red chili curry powder, masala powder, and meat seasoning. Let that cook for a couple of minutes before adding the meat. After adding the meat, add a little bit of water, stir it, cover it, and cook it for about 40 minutes. So mutton takes a little longer to cook compared to something like chicken, so it is better to cook it longer on medium heat. Also, make sure to stir it once in a while so it won't stick to the bottom of the pot. There you go. It's that easy to make mutton curry at home. As I said, it is a little bit of a spicy dish. So if you want, you can reduce the spiciness. But if you ask me, I would say you cannot make this dish any less spicy. And that's it from us today. And if you want to support the channel, hit that like and the subscribe button. It would help us so much to grow this small channel. We are cooking up so many more recipes already, and I'm planning to release those videos here soon. Until then, eat well, my friends. I'll see you soon.